Hey, what's going on, guys? It's GoldSpy here, and today we are going to be unboxing this this movement watch I ordered. Look at that. So I did start unwrapping it already, but I'll just finish it right here. And that's my dog. Actually, none of you guys have seen my dog before. Her name is Lily. Hi, Lily. Aw, she's so nice. But anyways, MVMT. Oh no, I scratched it up a little bit. Oh, that was Lily's nose. It wasn't actually scratched or anything. Okay. Look at that. Whoa. Got the red logo on the inside of this sleeve here. Alright, here we go. This is hard to do with one hand. I probably should have got a stand or something. Ooh, look at that. That's cool. There's some cards in there. Sunglasses, some advertisement stuff. It's a nice material and everything though. It's awesome. Some more stuff right here. Just an instruction kit. Whoa. Let's take this out of here. I did only get one strap. There's some. Oh, that's I didn't take off the seal or whatever yet. Gotta take that off. Oh, that is so nice. The leather feels really nice too. Movement. It's awesome. My dog likes it too. You like it, Lily? You like it? Yeah, she likes it. Okay, I'm gonna try to peel this off with one hand. There's like a logo in there too. It's upside down. So shiny. You can see my reflection in it. Oh, face reveal? Maybe? Oh! Oh, I'm holding it backwards. So nice. See what it looks like on my arm. That looks so nice. I love it. I'm not left-handed, by the way. I just like wearing it on my right hand because I just always have, and I like it. That looks so cool. Totally worth it. I love it. After the discounts, it was about like $108. So that's cool. If you guys enjoyed this video and maybe want me to unbox more things in the future, let me know. I could show my face too. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye, Lily.